I've been asked whether this program that we recommend is also beneficial for type 1 diabetics. Let me give you an example. There's a man, his sugar readings normally about 20 in that area. He injects 30 units at a time of insulin. He started using these 3 products. The lipids and sterols, very important for cells to function normally and to take in nutrients and eliminate waste. The sugar balancer, very important to help prevent the sugar spikes. Okay, the sugar spikes are very bad for you. And also the soluble and insoluble fiber that helps to soak up the sugar. Okay, he started using these. And then 2 days after using it, he sent a message. My glucose meter is, and he used a swear word, because the reading was normal. In South African terms, 6,6. Okay, after 2 days. Then he went on, I'm not recommending what he did, but for 3 days he did not inject any insulin, not any. And in those 3 days, his sugar readings were 10. Now remember, before it was more 20 and plus. Okay, now he's gone back to injecting 20 units of insulin, not 30 anymore, but 20 now. And his sugar levels are now normal. Okay, now that's great, because if his sugar levels can be normal with these products and he can use less insulin, there's less opportunity or less risk of damage developing in his body. And that's what you want, because that long-term exposure to excess sugar, the inflammation, the excess insulin you're injecting, all these things eventually lead to damage in the body. So feed the body what the body needs. And even type 1 diabetes can have a better lifestyle and less harm done to their bodies. Okay? That's what these products do. They feed the body the nutrients we're supposed to get in so we can have a healthier lifestyle. So, think about it. What path are you on? If you want more information, contact us, because these products are not sold in shops, in health stores and pharmacies. Contact us for more information. But also like this video, share it, and let's make the world a better place, a healthier place. And let's help diabetics, type 1 diabetics also, to have a healthier lifestyle and have to inject less insulin.